Okay, so in this part we'll see about the vegetation. We had already seen about the landscapes, the rivers. The third part that is also included into the vegetation is people of India are environment lovers. They are environment lovers since ancient time. Its proof is their love and affection towards the flowers, shrubs, and plants. Okay, we have small gardens at our home. Human, animal, bird, etc. dependent on the food. Banyan tree, people, and basil are worshipped into India. Okay, banyan tree, then basil, and people tree are worshipped into India, into every part of it. Cereals, pulses, oil seeds, plants, green fields, prosperous herbs, packed forest, and medicinal plants have ultra enriched. Say ultra enriched. It has made rich India in a greater way. A life from ancient times. Okay, the cereals are basically the grains that we eat into our day-to-day life. Then the pulses. These are the pulses. Pulses are basically the dried seeds of legumes. Legumes are basically a type of seeds from the family of bean. Okay, you might have seen those chickpeas and that thing. They are divided into two parts. And then there are the oil seeds. There are different kind of oil seed, that is mustard, sesame, castor, poppy, canola, groundnut, etc., etc., that we use into our day-to-day life. We also use various kind of medicinal plants like the herde, ambla, baheda. This is baheda. This is herde, aloe vera, ardushi, neem, etc. They are used for their medicinal values. If you see herde is very rich into vitamin C, and it is very good for digestive problems. Those people who have digestive problems, they can consume herde. Then this is the baheda. Baheda is very important, very good for problem who are people who are facing with the problem of constipation. It is also good for cough and cold. It is good for cold, right? Then we have aloe vera, which is used as a skin cream. It is used into various kind of creams that are applied on the skin. We have ardushi. This is ardushi. Ardushi is also very good, right? And it is used for again cold and cough. Then we have neem. We know about neem, and we know about amla. Amla are again very good source of vitamin C, right? So these are different kind of medicinal plants that we are using into our day-to-day life. We also use lot of flowers: rose, lotus, mogra, damro, sunflowers, champa, jui, jasmine, etc. into our day-to-day life. We use lot of flowers into our puja. We use flowers to decorate our houses. We make bouquets and gift each other. So the plants are used, rose and flowers are used into different ways. They are used for the fragrance. Okay, you might have seen a lot of perfumes also made out of those flowers. Beautiful, fragrant, healthy, and prosperous. Thus, social and religious life of India is greatly influenced by the vegetation. Now comes the wildlife. Let us see about the wildlife of India. India is a nature lover. We have already seen in the previous paragraph. India is animal lover. Here also they are nature lover and animal lover. It is country with animal lover culture. Tigers, lion, elephant, rhino, foxes, bear, deer, sambar, rabbit, python, snake, mongoose, lizards, porcupines. Like many such organisms are found and seen. Okay, all this, if you see, are found into India. Porcupine, I hope you might be knowing, it is a kind of a small animal, not too small, but an animal which has spikes on its body. Asian lion. Now we know that there are two places in the world where lions are found. One is Africa and second is in Asia. And in Asia, Asiatic lions are found into Gir of Gujarat. Gir of Gujarat is very famous for the Asiatic lion. It is actually the pride of Gujarat. Our religious belief also is connected to the animals. We know that many animals are used as status of god and goddesses, and they are also used as vehicles of the god and goddesses. A lot of any god uses different vehicles. Okay, like Surya Bhagwan uses horse, Agni uses ram. Ram is a male goat, bokdo, what we call in Gujarati. Brahma uses swan, Durga lion, Ganesh uses mouse, in Indra uses elephant, Kartikeya uses peacock, Lakshmi ji uses owl as his vehicle, Shani Dev uses crow, Shiv as bull, Vishnu as uses eagle, and Yam uses male buffalo. Here also you might see a lot of uh, animals with God, and they are symbols of it. Okay, so why they are made symbols? So that people also respect those animals. As we respect God, same way we respect animals also. Okay, there is a very close connection of God and animals too. Say tiger, peacock, alligators, eagles, etc. are used. A national currency is highly valued by having figures of four lion. We know about it. That is the national emblem. Horse and bull also are included into it. Now this symbol, okay, the emblem is taken from the Ashokan pillar. We know about it. Furthermore, to protect the wildlife, reserves are created and even laws to protect them. We know that national parks and sanctuaries are created in India to protect wildlife. There are also reserves which are created to protect the wildlife of India. Next comes the cultural heritage of India. Okay, we had already seen the natural heritage, and now we are going to see the cultural heritage of India. India is gifted to the world a diverse and rich heritage. See, India is gifted, means India have given a lot of things to the world, and it is very diverse and rich. Now, what can be known as cultural heritage? Cultural heritage is also known as man-made heritage. Man-made heritage. Now, all the things that a person or man have created with his human tact, wisdom, art, skills, and is known as cultural heritage. Buildings, cities, phones, mobile phones, satellites, bridges, and even robots. All these things will be termed as cultural heritage. Right? Now, as I told you in the starting of this particular video, that Indian culture is like a sponge. Again, it absorbs all the things. A lot of people, different tribes have come and settled into India. They are Aryans, Kshatraps, Kushans, Huns, Persians, Turks, Arabs, Mughals, Britishers, and French. All this came, they settled into India, and Indian culture have taken a lot of things out of them. Caste and tribe have came to India. Indian culture from exchange between all this have become a very rich part of it. As I told you that we have taken good things from all these people. They have come here, we always welcome them. They have come here, settled here, and many of them have even ruled over us. But Indian people are very tolerant people. They have never attacked anyone. As I told in the starting of it, that from last 1,000 years India has not attacked any other country. Yes, we have retaliated if someone has attacked on us, but not attacked. So we